Hey guys, so I finally got a meal planner that I can work on with my kids. I got it from Flying Starfish Studios on Amazon. And what I love about this is that it has 52 weeks so that we can start planning our meals. And it also has a grocery list section so that, like, what is your favorite food?
Carrots.
Okay, carrots. So we can put that down.
Mine's broccoli.
And broccoli. So we can put that down as this is favorite meals. So I can put that down in the snacks area for carrots and broccoli. And then we can have allergies and then favorite meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then little reminders down here. So, and then they also have this really conversion page right here. So it tells you about tablespoons and cups and ounces and milliliters. So they're actually learning as well. Okay, so say Sunday, which is tomorrow. What are we going to have for dinner tomorrow?
I think, I know. Spaghetti.
Okay, you want to have spaghetti tomorrow.
No.
What should we have for breakfast?
We should have toast with Nutella.
We don't have Nutella and we don't have cream cheese, so I'm going to put that in the things to buy right here. And so they get to help, and it just makes them more involved and want to eat more. So isn't it going to be more fun that you guys get to help me plan for what we have for our meals? When they start writing, they're going to be able to put it in themselves.